Since the release of the GoPro Fusion, anyone can create high-action 360-degree video of their adventures. But how do folks edit all of this wonderful footage? That's where Intel comes in. I'm Stephanie Essen, and this episode of IDZ Weekly, find out how Intel and GoPro have collaborated to take 360 video to the next level. The GoPro Fusion camera has a dual lens system and is designed to capture video in 5.2K resolution at 30 frames per second. This is amazing for 360 video, but there are even newer ways to re-experience your adventures. Imagine never having to anticipate where the action is going to happen and having the perfect angle every time. The ability to place yourself anywhere within the frame. This concept is called overcapture, and it's a way to take your 360-degree image and reframe it into a standard 2D format, but with a fantastic effect. This is the type of work you can do with Intel and GoPro's collaboration. GoPro was seeking technical information on multi-core processing, and Intel provided specifications, training, and software assistance. The outcome was the GoPro Fusion editing software that can help you achieve amazing effects like overcapture, image stabilization, and image stitching. Check out this article that gives you a high-level understanding of CPU and GPU optimizations performed together with Intel's Core Visual Computing Group. Consumers will experience a faster user interface and will be able to witness real-time pre-visualization during rendering. To fully appreciate the optimizations, users should adhere to GoPro Fusion's recommended system requirements. Check out the link to see what you can do in your own project, and I'll see you next Monday.